boom, 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 boom.
Hi, I'm Rahma. And I'm Karima. And today we are doing the Blindfold Draw Challenge. We are going to continue with our challenge, but now we are going to do it in Somali. We're going to have to use all our skill to do this because we don't really understand and read Somali very well. So... okay, figure out. Okay, I know this one. Hurry. Okay. Closest color, this color. Okay. Close. Okay. And go. That's it. A moon. No. Open that. A moss.
Yay!
A little moss. You know it? I think so. Okay, ready? Wait, no. That's gonna be black. Wait, which black? Okay. 5. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Factory? Swimming? What is that? Sleeping? 3 seconds left. Surreal.
Yay!
I added the Z's. I thought that was an Arabic. I don't know, maybe. Okay, your turn. I think I know what it is. I don't know. Okay, let's try this color. Okay, ready? No. 1, 2, 3, go. Like this. I didn't know. A mosquito? A person? It's like this. And then there's another one like this. And then you put it in this right here. Great explanation. Look at it. It's beautiful. So she drew this. She's like, you take these two and you put it in here. Stop. What was the word? I don't know how to say it. I think it's Alan.
Alan.
What is that?
Flag?
What did you think it was? I thought it was Alan. I don't even think that's the right word. Wow. Great job. Wait, is Alan the tea bag? Oh my god. Are you serious? I don't know what this is. I don't know. I'm just gonna no. I don't know what this is. Oh! I figured it out. Okay, I'm ready. Is it possible that I can figure it out? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. A car?
Yay!
A bawood. It says Gari or something. Yeah, Gari. See, this is my car. What a majestic car. I would get that car. Looks like a turtle. Ish. You got it? This is gonna be hard. Okay, I'm just gonna take multiple. I don't know, maybe both. I'm just gonna take multiple colors. And then just open all of them. Just Okay, ready? The blue, what is this color? Green and
Okay, wait, I just said turn.
okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Constellation. A shirt. Shotty.
No. It rhymes.
Mati Bati. Kati Lati.
I have to say one.
No, I don't know. What is it?
It was a bati.
I got it right.
No, but you didn't say it I said.
Why is a bati this short? Is it this short? And why is there a leg sticking out of it? Oh my god. And your dots aren't even on the shirt. There's some.
It's called a new bati. It has dots out of the bati. Okay. Thank you guys for watching.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. And
Comment down below what challenge you want us to do next.
see you in the